Well, hello, my fellow YouTubers. Here is Pepper. There she is. She's outside with us in her little tent, and fixed to put her little bed in there. She's outside with us by the fire that I have created. I have created fire. There's Kelly and Chris. For those of us who cheat, we use charcoal to get the fire going really good, nice and hot. And then for the rest of us, after that fire gets going, then we put the wood on there. Nice. Hope everybody has a fantastic evening. And be sure to subscribe to this channel down below. And if you like this channel, and if not, then I'll send you notification anyway. Thank you.